Hello children, in continuation with current, electricity and magnetism, today we will see the next part of the lesson. In last part we had seen what is current and electricity, electrostatic potential, potential difference, and why it is necessary the potential difference for the flow of electric current, okay, and how the potential difference is created in between the two terminals by joining the battery between them. So in this way we saw the electric circuit, then electric cell. I shown you the video of dry cell, how is its construction, its working, I shown you on that in that video. After that we had seen this cell also, that is lead acid cell, and its construction and working is also shown. I shown you. In this electrolyte is there, okay, this electrolyte is there, it is useful for the flow of electricity. Now afterwards we will see the next part, that is nickel cadmium cell. What is nickel cadmium cell? These days the meaning of it is that nickel and cadmium, these are the chemicals. Ni for nickel, Ni for nickel, and Cd for cadmium. Nickel cadmium cell, its full name is nickel cadmium cell. These days a varieties of gadgets are available, okay, so many gadgets are available which are required to be carried to different places. Such a gadgets use nickel cadmium cell, means we can move these gadgets from one place to the another place, and in that gadgets what we are using, the nickel cadmium cells we are using. The cell delivers how much potential difference is here? 1.2 volt potential difference is present in between them, and the main thing is that they are rechargeable, okay, so we can recharge it. How we are charging our mobile, in that way we are rechargeable, these cells are there, okay. Next part is the electric circuit. Electric circuit, when a cell holder, an electric bulb and plug key are connected by a connecting wire. What they told you, when a cell holder, this is the cell holder, then electric bulb, here is the electric bulb, and plug key. If these things are there, if R and dry cell is fitted, and dry cell and cell also is fitted inside the cell holder, then the structure, then the bulb lights up. What they told, fitted in a holder, then what happens, if this all the things are there, and the electric wire, this is electric wire, if all these things are there, then what happens, the bulb glows, and what happens, circuit completes and bulb glows, okay. So this means that bulb lights up by closing plug key. This means that the current flows through the circuit. It shows that when these things are there in the circuit, when these things are there, means plug key, cell holder, and inside it cell, electric bulb and electric wire, and this cell has a potential difference, then what happens, the electric current flows through this circuit, and what happens, the electricity flow, circuit complete electricity flow from this wire from positive to the negative pole, and what happens, this bulb lights up, On the removal of cell, what happens if we remove the cell? If we remove the cell, then what happens, the potential difference between the two terminals of wire, what happens, the potential difference between the two terminals of wire, what happens, it cuts, and all the then what happens, the same charge is there in the electric wire, and when what happens, this word they use it here, on the removal of cell, when we remove the cell, the electric current flowing through the circuit stops. What happens, electric current flowing through the circuit stop as indicated by the bulb, which ceases to glow, okay, bulb is not glowing. This type of connections of electric component is called as an electric circuit. So this is the circuit has which things are there, plug key, cell holder, cell, bulb, and the wire. If these things are there and they are arranged in a proper way, the given figure or given circuit is called as a electric circuit. A circuit is shown in figure 4.4. the cell is shown by the symbol this, okay, this is a symbol. Here one is bigger, and here what we are writing, plus sign we are writing, and another side the small it is there, so it is negative, it is writing, and this is the sign of what, it is a cell, it is a sign of cell. Next point. Then an electric circuit is used in home supply. Okay, electric circuit is in our home also. Main switch is there. From that main switch, the connection is coming inside the home. Inside it, what happens? Some places the boards are there. On that board, there is a connections of tube light, bulb, fridge, and washing machine, vacuum cleaner. These all connections are there. TV. They are connected to the different devices, and through that what happens, when the circuit get complete, the TV on, otherwise fan on, then afterwards fridge is there, it's working, means cooling is continue when this circuit is get completed. However, electricity supply is made from outside. What is happen? From where the electric supply is coming? It is made from outside. For example, in our home where there are dams, for example Koyna dams are there, so many dams are there, otherwise where the electricity is generated through from there via different poles are there, electric poles are there, we see on our outside and in our nearby our home also. What happens? Electric poles are there, and from that electric pole what happens, the wires are connected in our home to the circuit. Then what happens, the electricity we are getting, and the main it is that where there is a electricity generator, there they are creating the potential difference, and due to that potential difference what happens, the electricity coming inside our home. Okay, clear? Instead of electric cells, we learn about it later. What they told you, an electric circuit is also used in home supply. However, the electric supply is made from outside. From where? From outside, instead of electric cell. Okay, from where it is coming? Just I told you, where there is a electricity generated by using tidal power, it may be using the wind power, they are using the atomic power for the generation of the electricity, and through that plants what happens, the electricity via electric wires, it is supplied to the each and everyone's home. It may be your home, it is mine home. Next, it is the connecting cells. What is connecting cells? You must have seen more than one electric cells. Okay, where we are looking the cell in our home, torches are there. In that torch what happens, when we open, we see the cells are there, they are connected each other. Okay, this is the torch structure is there, and here one button is there, and when we are pushing this, the bulb from inside the battery glows, and the what happens, light produces. So in this place what happens, the electric cells are there, they are attached to the each other. Okay, now the electric circuit. In the transistor radio, 2-3 dry cells are seen to be connected in the series. What they told you, in transistor 2-3 dry cells are there, they are connected in the series. Series means once positive, this suppose the positive pole of the first cell, then it is the second cell, it is third cell, in which here negative and here positive part. Then this cells, negative part is here, negative part is attached to the positive part. Here it is negative, this cells it is positive. In this way they are attached one by one above the other, and this is called as a series. Okay, now connected in the series. The purpose of doing this is obtain more potential difference. Why we are doing this? To get the more potential difference. Then the single cell. If potential difference increases, the flow of current will be increased. Therefore, it is possible to obtain higher current. What happens when we are joining 2-3 dry cells in a series? Then what happens? Due to this, what happens? The potential difference. Every cell has its own potential, and when we are arranging it in the series, the sum of, suppose this is the cell, its potential difference is 1 volt. One more cell I join to here, its potential difference is 1 volt. One more cell if I will join here, its potential difference is also 1 volt. So sum of this all potential difference is 3 volts, and due to this what happens? Because of this arrangement, we get the higher current. And if the cells are connected as seen in the figure 4.5b, see here, this is the 4 point, and here it is 4.a. See here what they told you, here 4.5a. Inside it what they told you, the cells are connected with the, and this is the, they are connected in the series. If you see here, if you see here, these are the cells, okay, and these cells are connected serially they are connected to each other, one over then other over then, in this way they are connected with each other. And afterwards, this is the positive terminal, okay, and this is the negative terminal. The positive terminal of first cell is connected to the negative terminal of the second cell, and due to this what happens, if it has a 1 hole potential difference, its potential difference is 1 volt, and totally it is 2 hole potential difference, and potential difference increases, the higher the electricity is produced, okay. Then what happens, potential difference created. Therefore, it is possible to obtain higher current if the cells are connected as seen in the figure 4.5b. If you see this figure, what happens here, if you see, the first it is attached here, then this positive terminal is attached to here, then again this cells positive terminal attached here it is attached in this way, and then it is attached to the circuit, and this type of arrangement is seen in the 4.b, and this is called as a what, the connection is of the cell is known as a battery of cell. This is called as a battery of cell. Just now I shown you that. Then in the series connection, the positive terminal of one cell, what they told you in series connection, positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the second cell. If you see here, I shown you before only, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of next cell. Next what they told you, terminal of the second cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Therefore, each has a potential difference 1 volt. Total potential difference is equals to 3 cell is the what, 3 volt. In this way, the potential difference increases. Then what happens? Then the more electricity is produced. Okay. The next part is the magnetic effect. Wait, we will see the use your brain powers question. You must have seen the car battery available in the market. Okay, it is called a battery and not a cell. Why? Because of this arrangement, what happens? There are so many batteries, cells are there arranged in a particular way, and that's why what happens, more electricity is produced. Next part is the magnetic effect and electric current. Okay, now for this they shown the activity. Here it is, we have to take the matchsticks we are keeping, no, that box we have to take, and inside it we have to keep the what, the magnetic needle, and as per this, and we have to wind up it with the electric wire in this way. If you see this structure, you will notice that this is the wire, it is rotated around the what, this match box, and this is connected here. One part is connected to the battery, and here circuit, when the circuit get completed, what, this is the positive terminal, this is the positive terminal, and this is the negative terminal. And when the circuit get completed, and what happens, circuit completes, how you will notice that the bulb will glows. At that time what happens, the needle is there, no, inside it deflects, means it changes its position. As you know that the magnetic needle shows which direction, north and south direction, but when the electricity flow from the circuit, the electric current what happens, flows, then what happens, the magnetic needle get deflected, and it shows that when the electricity flows from the circuit, what happens, it creates the magnetic field. Okay, so then we will see the explanation of this. Take the inside tray of used up matchbox. Okay, just here used it here. Take a small magnetic needle inside the tray. Here we have to put the magnetic needle. Now take a long connecting wire. This is a long connecting wire, and here connecting wire, and wind it around the tray. Here it is winded. Okay. Complete the electric circuit by connecting in it. Which what we have to connect? Wire, electric cell. This is the wire, electric cells, plug key. This is the sign of plug key, and a bulb. After it, what happens? Mark the position of magnetic needle. What they told you? We have to mark the position of magnetic needle. Take a bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. What we have to do? We have to take the bar magnet near to the magnetic needle. What do you see? As you know that if we are taking the bar magnet near to it, north and south, then what happens, if this is it get reflected. Means what happens, south will attract towards the north and north will deflect the north pole of the magnet. So it shows the deflection. Now next what we have to do, then what do you observe? Keep looking at the needle and close the plug key. The bulb will light up. What happens next? What we have to do? What do you observe? That we say that electric because of magnetic field, what happens? The needle get deflected. Keep looking the needle and close the plug key. Close plug key means we have to join this, means button we have to start. When the plug key, what happens? Close, the bulb will light up. This bulb is there, it lights up. And it means bulb lights up means what happens? The electricity start flowing from the circuit. Does the magnetic needle show change in its position? That is the question. The answer is yes. It shows the deflection. Why? Now open the plug key. Open the plug key means we have to, what happened? Disconnect this. Then what happens? It is open. Here point is not there, then it is. Actually this is not in the, if circle is it is a bracket inside point is there, then it is circuit is closed, and if point is not there, the circuit is open. Okay, then does the magnetic needle come back to its original position? Yes, it comes in. It means when the connection between the circuit, it what happens, connection between the circuit get close connection. When this circuit is complete, that time magnetic needle shows the deflection, it change its position. But when we disconnect the circuit, then what happens? The magnetic needle come in its original position. So what do you understand from this? What do you conclude from this experiment? What I said, I will explain you again. When the electric connection circuit is there, it completes, means these batteries are there, this is the plug key, this is bulb and wire. If this all are comes in contact, means here connection is there, that time what happens? The magnetic needle shows the deflection. And when we disconnect it, then what happens? It shows the magnetic needle comes in its original position. Okay, so you know that magnetic needle is indeed a magnet. What we are understanding, that the magnetic needle indeed a magnet. Magnetic needle means only the magnet, and you have seen that magnetic needle changes its direction when, means magnetic needle changes its direction when a bar magnet is taken near the magnetic needle. When we are taking the bar magnet near to magnetic needle, what happens? It shows the deflection. Also, you have observed that magnetic needle changes its direction when the current starts flowing in the circuit. What they told you? First of all, the magnetic needle is nothing but it is magnet. Now you have seen that magnetic needle changes its direction. Okay, when the electricity flows from the circuit, when the electricity flows from the circuit, it shows the deflection. Means what happens? It changes its direction. Then also you have observed the magnetic needle changes the direction when a current start flowing in the circuit. Current start flowing in the circuit, then what happens? The magnetic needle shows the deflection, and it shows that it changes the direction. And this means that magnetic field is created when electric current flows through the wire. What they told you, the main thing is that the magnetic field is created when an electric current flows in a wire. Hans Christian Oersted made an observation. First, briefly, we can say that when an electric current passes through the wire, magnetic field is produced around the wire. So that is the conclusion. What is the conclusion? The conclusion is that when an electric current passes through a wire, magnetic field is produces around the wire. Okay, now I will give you one activity. Do you have cell at home? Yes, do you have cell? If you have the cell at home, this is a dry cell. It is not working dry cell we have to take. Afterwards, if you just take the copper wire, and this is our nail that we are using now in our home, that nail is there, just that copper wire is there, no, you just wound it around this nail. Okay, copper wire, wound it around this nail, and afterwards this nail you just connected to the what? Battery. Okay, and when circuit complete, this is the iron nail is there, otherwise pins are there. When the circuit complete, you will notice that these nails are there, no, it get attracted towards this magnet. What I said, when the circuit get completed, the nails are get attracted towards the this bigger nail, or these small pins are there, it get attracted towards the nail, and when the circuit is open, these nails fall down. When the circuit is open means if we disconnect this, the nails falling down. This is the activity. It is simple activity, and if things are present, you can do it at your home also. Okay, so see here, take a meter long flexible copper wire. Okay, copper wire we have to take. Then resistance, having resistive coating, highly tightly on the long iron screw. This long iron screw we have to take, and we have to highly tight on it. Okay, connect the two ends of the wire in a circuit as shown in the figure. In this way, see here we are joining to the cell, and also connect an electric cell and plug key. This is cell and this is the plug key. We have to join in the circuit. Okay, here is the cell and here it is the plug key. Next, what we have to do now, start the current in the circuit, plugging the key. Okay, when the current start flowing from the circuit, then what happen? It will notice that pins or nails have stuck the pin. Just I told you, if the current start flowing, if the pin is here, it get attracted and it get what happens? Stuck to the nail. Okay, it means that nail is behaving, it is what happens, nail is getting attracted. The meaning it is that nails are nail. If nail is made up of the you know that this nail is there or pin is there, it is made up of iron, and when iron is attracted towards whom? The magnet. So from this experiment what we are doing, we are understanding that when the electricity flow from the nail behaves like a what? Magnet. When the electricity flows through the nail, what we are understanding, the electricity flows through the nail, then it behaves like a magnet. Okay, now it will notice that pins nails have stuck to the tip of the screw. Will the pins nail continue to stick when the plug key is open? Yes, just now I told you, when we circuit close open, then what happens? Close, then nails get attracted. When circuit is open means disconnected, then what happens? It behaves like a normal nail, and what happens? Pins get what happens? Get falling down. Next, when an electric current flows in the wire, what they told you, when the electric current flows in the wire, magnetism is produced. Electric current flows in the wire, the magnetism is produced in the coil. In the coil means which coil? This is wounded around the nail. This is the coil. Okay, nail. Inside it what happens? The magnetism is developed and screw, and because of this the screw attains the magnetism and screw get the magnet. It behaves like a magnet. Okay, then as soon as the current stops from flowing from the magnetic nail, the nail is behave like a normal nail or like iron, and what happens? The pins falling from here, and means what happens? When the electricity the flow of electricity cut, then what happens? The magnetism is vanishes and the pins falling down. A system of coil and screw is called as a electromagnet. In this way you can make the electromagnet in your home also. Okay, and the next what they told you, you have seen various uses of magnets in 6th standard. Last year I think you have studied that where we are using this electromagnet in the crane is there in heavy, if we in the big companies inside to carry the big parts of the vehicles. What happens? This type of electromagnet is used. When the electricity flow, then what happens? It behaves like a magnet. So at that time they are pulling the things from here, and when we remove the electric current flowing from this circuit, then what happens? It get disconnected, and it get what happens? Where we can change its place wherever it is, or we can transfer it from one place to the another place, okay, by electromagnetism. And it was over for you in which standard they told you? 6th standard. Electromagnets, what in the which I told you, in crane inside they are using these types of electromagnet to carry heavy loads, okay. And in that system what happens, when they are pulling this material, iron material, then what happens, the electricity flows from this circuit and the part is behaving like a magnet, and due to this what happens, the heavy load of iron gets stuck to the crane, and whenever we want to keep it at that place, if you are keeping and button off, then what happens, it behaves like a crane's part is there which behaves like a normal lathe, and what happens, we can change the place of the heavy load. Electromagnets used to produce the magnetic field, useful in the scientific research also, okay. So today we will stop here only. So what we seen today, we saw that the structure of bell, electric bell, and these two experiments are there, no, that we will see in our next lecture, that both I will show you. And today we saw the nickel cadmium cell, electric cell, connecting cells, then afterwards we saw the magnetic effect of electric current, and that is arrangement of the cells, series connecting cell, inside we seen the series arrangement of the connection, and how to make the electromagnet at home also, and its uses we had seen today, okay. So today we will stop here only. So all of you do this, it is very interesting. Do this your home and just watch how it behaves like a magnet, okay. And the structure of the electric bell we will see in our next lecture. So today we will stop here only. So okay, thank you.